Hello, now you are watching top 5 best film cameras. Number 5, Polaroid Originals, Limited Edition. The Stranger Things Edition OneStep 2 is the perfect instant film camera for any superfan to capture all their stranger moment. Cool features: self-timer function, powerful built-in flash, built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery, lasts up to 60 days per charge. The upside down. Our new Stranger Things Edition camera is inspired by the upside down, but please operate the camera right side up in real life use. Number 4, Lomography Constructor F, build your own 35mm film camera. Includes all components for construction. 50mm f/10 fixed aperture detachable lens. Manual exposure control and focusing. Sticker sets for exterior customization. Number 3, Lomography Diana F and Medium. The Diana flash works via a 2-pronged plug adapter just like the original. It plugs directly into the Diana F and camera body. Electronic flash with color flash capability. Uses 1A battery. Variable shutter, daytime and for unlimited long exposures. Film format 122 adapters are included so that both the Diana flash and Diana F and are hot shoe compatible. Number 2, Fujifilm Quicksnap Flash 400, single-use camera. Loaded with Fuji Color 400 speed film, which was designed for capturing fast action. 27 exposures. Number 1, Fujifilm Instax Mini 90, double exposure mode. 2 images are produced on one film sheet by pressing the shutter twice. Shutter release, programmed electronic shutter release, 1.8. 1/400 SEC shutter speeds. Bulb mode. The shutter remains open while the shutter button is depressed, 10 seconds maximum, and a light trail can be photographed. Automatically detects the brightness of the surrounding and adjusts the amount of flash and shutter speed to optimize photo quality. Thanks for watching the video. We hope you found it useful. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this in the future. If you do have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and we'll get back to you.